guys, it's Bree, and I am so excited because I got a new Louis Vuitton today. Literally, I had the worst morning because I had a bad day. We decided to go shopping, and I got a new Louis Vuitton. I'm so excited. So the deal was I could get a new Louis every 2 years, but I don't own a Louis Vuitton wallet. I kind of conned my way into it. I was like, well, my birthday's in like 3 months. Can I get it early? So that is how I'm going to explain this whole thing. It's a story. As with every story I tell, there's like 30 branches that go all over. On to the unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton. I really needed a nice Louis wallet that was going to fit in my purse. I've done an unboxing of my purse. This is the one that I carry. I have a whole video if you want to see this. This is the Louis Vuitton Brittany, and I love this bag. I have the most ghetto little Vera Bradley wallet that it was like pawned off on me for a Christmas present. So I needed a nice Louis Vuitton wallet. And then I was thinking, what I always do is I don't haul my big purse around when I go to the grocery store or when I'm doing little things. I always just grab my wallet. So half the time I'm running around with this janky little wallet and I have a nice bag. So I decided to go somewhere in between, and this is actually a wallet on a chain, but it can be used as a purse, it can be used as a wallet. It's a little clutch. It is perfect. So we'll unbox it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have a nice wallet. So this is what it looks like. And I get a pretty little card. I don't even know if anything is written in there, but ribbon, the box. I'm so pumped. I'm so excited to show this to you. And I think, yes, I've definitely filmed, I'm pretty certain, every single Louis Vuitton that I have and reviewed it and showed you what I carry in my bag. So, of course, once I start carrying this, I will do the same thing. And it opens, how does this open? Oh, it's like a little, like tapes. That's showing my age. Like this. There's a little dust cover. And I do save all my boxes. Dun, 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 dun. Here it is. This is the Pochette Felicie, and I will have to look up the name of this actual color, but this is the patent leather. Everything that I have, so far I have a Damier Azul, which is super limited edition and I love it, and I also have the regular Damier in brown, and then I have Monogram. So I wanted this one in the Monogram, and the color in this is fabulous. And what I like about it is if you put it next to black, it looks black. If you put it next to brown, it looks brown. If you put it next to purple, it just sort of morphs, and it is so beautiful. So I can carry it like this as a wallet, put it under my arm like a clutch, go in our houses. And another really, like, the most amazing thing, the kicker, the selling point for me was it has these two little inserts. This first one will double as a wallet here for all your cards. I have a ton of cards, so I'm hoping that that is enough. And then it opens up inside for cash. I love the smell of a new Louis. And there's also this insert with the matching monogram pattern, and this will hold quite a bit in there. And I am going to go next week and get my initials monogrammed on this because I love putting my initials on everything that I own. And here's a little card with some more info and the chain. And there's also a small pocket right here, so I can put other little things inside of there. And Amarite is the color, I believe. I think that's what this says. And I'll have all the information down below so you guys can see that. It says outside varnish is calf leather and textile lining. So dark brown. I think it is beautiful, and I tested it before I left the store, so I can wear it three ways. I can wear it as a crossbody. Oh my gosh, look at how that gold glistens. I absolutely love it. So I can wear it hands-free, crossbody. I can use it just as a wallet because these are removable. And that's probably how I'm going to use it. And what I think is my favorite part is it fits inside of my Brittany. So obviously I have been using this every day. It is full of so much junk. But, see, you can take it, put it in there, boom, doubles as a wallet. Now one thing I will show you, here again, I am not trying to start a political debate. I don't want anyone's feelings to get hurt, especially in light of recent events, but I have made this very, very apparent in all of my videos. If you guys know anything about me, you know I am a staunch gun advocate. Where I live, if it's an open carry state. So it is very legal to strap a gun on your hip and go wherever you want. You can go eat at a restaurant and put the gun on a table, and it is your legal right where I live. It is not that way in every state. I do realize that, but in my state it is. So for this small bag, and I did remove all the bullets, because I know people always want to like nitpick every little detail in videos. So all the bullets are removed for this specific video, but I usually have 2 guns on me, just in case. I am very small, I am 4'10", and I am very, very light. So because I'm so petite, and because I live in such a dangerous city, I am a very strong advocate of concealed carrying. So I do carry a gun or 2 everywhere that I go. So this is my very small Derringer. It does have a clip. If you did want to open carry, you know, if you have a permit, it's frowned upon to open carry, but it does have a clip if you wanted to carry it in your pocket or in your waistband. But it is a 6-shot revolver. My hands are tiny, so maybe it will make the gun look big, but it is a very, very small Derringer. It's a 22. There are people that do carry guns. They'll be like, oh, that's so stupid. You're just going to make somebody mad if you carry that. And there are people who are super anti-gun that will think it's stupid. I am a strong, independent female, and I like to carry if I'm going anywhere by myself. So one thing that I really do like about this purse is I can fill it with all of my money and everything else, and I can also very comfortably carry my gun concealed in this tiny bag. So if I just want to grab like my wallet and my gun and be on my way and be safe, I can do that with this bag. And I can just carry a small 6-shot 22. And if I can't do what I need to do with 6 shots in my revolver, then I shouldn't be carrying. But I am very accurate, and if anybody tries to mess with me, then I will be able to handle myself. And I think that that is something important. You have to feel safe, and you can't rely on somebody else to protect you. You have to protect yourself. And I grew up very differently than most people did, and because of that, if I go anywhere, I don't want to have to be worried. And even during Mardi Gras this year, there were 3 murders at parades, just at a Mardi Gras parade. And I'm not, here again, like everyone wants to nitpick apart when people do videos. People say, oh, move away from New Orleans. I love my city. I love living here, but it's super dangerous. So the fun and the play and the culture comes at a cost, and I would rather be safe than sorry. And in case there is something that happens, no, my little 22 is no match for a huge AR, but maybe one bullet can save my life or save other people's lives. So maybe it's just optimistic thinking, but I do like that this gun is small enough to carry in my wallet and my new purse. I love it. So I didn't want to get political, but I did want to note that that is something very, very advantageous about this bag, is that you can conceal carry still. Now I do have a larger gun in my big purse in case my little purse out, then I can run in somewhere and I can still feel protected and safe. So I really love this bag. I can't even stop smelling it. The only thing that is kind of a downfall about it is because of the pattern and how shiny it is, it gets very, very fingerprinty. So that's the only negative about this, but I am so absolutely obsessed with it, and I feel like this is something you could wear to a wedding. You can wear it anywhere. It's so versatile, and it doubles as a wallet. It's double your pleasure, double your fun. I am so in love with this bag. So that's my review and my unboxing. I will load up all my cards and little things. Like, this is small enough so I can keep like one small tampon in there and just things that I need for grocery runs. But I will do a full what's in my bag if you guys would like that and want to see everything that I carry. Warning, it's a lot. And I do have Mardi Gras videos coming. I literally have 6 days of footage. No lie. So crazy. So that is coming at ya. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.